2011 app for Android. So the latest version is 1.0.92, and it's still in beta, and I want you guys to leave comments down below requesting features and stuff, and if you have any problems at all, leave a comment down below also. But I'm going to be showing you the new stuff in the app, and usually I wouldn't do this because, I just post it over on Facebook and Twitter and everything, but I wanted to let you guys know that I did add quite a bit of stuff to the app, and it's stuff that is pretty important for future use. So you can see here, like last time I have it both on my Nexus, or my tablet, and my phone. The Nexus is the tablet, Nexus 7, whatever. So I'm going to be opening it up here. Alright, so the first major change you can see here is that my phone here, the text on it, is a lot smaller, but over here on my tablet, it's about the same exact size as the other video. Except there is a new background. I picked a cool little background there, kind of a textured black background. I thought it looked nice, so I put it on there. But anyways, on my phone, you can see the text is more fit to the screen instead of like the other video where it was all, it took up the whole thing. You had to scroll to see all of it. So what I did is made it so when you have a smaller phone, you have smaller text, and when you have a bigger device, you have more text, which makes sense. So let's scroll down here. I added the coming soon button. That was a request by somebody. I have no idea how to pronounce their name, but if you go over to my Facebook page where I do post more builds of my app, you can see who did it, who requested it over there. Let's go with coming soon. Alright, so my phone here is on the older build right now, so I'm going to be going over what the Nexus says. Or my tablet, whatever. I keep saying Nexus because that's what I usually call it, but you guys know what I mean. Anyways, so here it says at the top, download. So these are the downloads I'll be adding soon. So on the top of the list is MCPE 0.9.0 build 5. I added that, even though it's not released yet, I added it because I will be adding it soon. Just not released yet. So Block Launcher Pro 1.6.11, that'll be the update for Block Launcher that'll support 0.9.0. That'll come out after the 0.9.0 final release comes out, so yeah. And then Ultimate Toolkit for MCPE. If you guys remember that app from a while ago, I used to use that one in my videos. The developer on that, I don't know what the heck he's doing, but we're not sure if he's going to be making the update for it, so that's why I put may not happen. I don't know if it'll work out for him or not, so yeah. And then this app, that is the things I'll be changing and adding in this app. It's named this app. Anyway, so better design, and maybe embed my YouTube videos and give a notification when I upload to YouTube. So if you guys don't know what I mean by embed my YouTube videos, that means you'll be able to view my videos through the app without having to open YouTube. So it'll still be uploaded to YouTube, but you can view it through the app. Pretty cool stuff. So that is the coming soon button. I might be adding a changelog button or something here in the future. So yeah. Oops, I bumped the button there. So a key feature I added here is it'll ask you to update. In the notification bar, it'll ask you to update, and you just tap to update. For some reason, my phone isn't doing it right now. I'm assuming the reason is because I didn't wait for the refresh to go around, because I tried doing a video before this and it didn't go out so well because I screwed up a lot. Stuttered more than I usually do. Just open it up here again, because it has a refresh cycle and I didn't wait long enough apparently. So actually it should only be 5 minutes, but there it is. Okay, so when you open the app and I've pushed out a new update, it'll say select to install up here in the notification bar. You can't get rid of it, which I kind of made it that way because if you don't even see it from originally, it's still there. So it's got my icon up there. Just tap on it and I just dropped on. And you can see here's all the permissions for it. And then here's the version info. So you can see on my phone I was running 1.0.9 and I'm going to be installing 1.0.92. Let that install. While I talk about another thing here that isn't quite finished. I don't know if it's working correctly yet. I have to check up on it. But what it does is it'll make the app start out when you turn your phone on, and it'll automatically just keep refreshing to see if I upload a new app version. Every 5 minutes, it'll just refresh. I'm not sure if it's really working yet, but I know the big concern here would be that it takes up too much battery, but all it really is a simple service that's running in the background. So, yeah, it's not going to take up a whole lot of battery. It's not going to make a difference, but what people are definitely also worried about is eating up their mobile data usage. So, the way I made it is when you update the app or whatever, hey, my app is saved to open. Anyways, when you're on, that completely screwed me up. Alright, so, where was it? Okay, so when you're on your mobile data, it won't download the app, it won't scan to see if there's a new version. It'll only do that on Wi-Fi. The reason being, I don't want people to get in trouble or whatever for going over their mobile data usage, you know, because it'll keep scanning and then downloading the new version. People might get in trouble for it, like if their parents or something, or if they're not living with their parents, you know, they might get mad because they ran up their data usage. So I'm not going to do that. Only on Wi-Fi it'll work. And what it does is it'll automatically download the app for you, the new update. Then you have to hit the install button in the notification center for it to actually install. Makes it a little bit easier, I think, instead of having to hunt it down and install it that way. So, yeah, that's kind of the new app, you know, got a new background on here, coming soon button, all of that stuff. I think you guys will really enjoy. So, if you do enjoy it, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And if you have any features that you might like to see in the app, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.